Let us know about Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev arranged the elements in a chart in the increasing order of their atomic weights. He divided the chart into 8 vertical columns known as groups. Each group is divided into A, B subgroups. The importance of Mendeleev's periodic table is the elements in a group have similar properties and elements along periods, that is rows, have different properties. The elements of the first column react with oxygen to form compounds with general formula R2O. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium, when react with oxygen, form lithium oxide, sodium oxide and potassium oxide. Similarly, elements of the second column react with oxygen to form compounds with the general formula RO. For example, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, when react with oxygen, form beryllium oxide, magnesium oxide and calcium oxide. Mendeleev's periodic law. The properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. Let us discuss about groups. There are 8 vertical columns in Mendeleev's periodic table called groups. They are represented by Roman numerals 1 to 8. Each group is divided into 2 subgroups A and B. Elements in subgroup resembles each other very much in their properties. For example, first A group elements called alkali metals, those are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, resemble each other very much in their properties. Now periods. The horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods in the table which are denoted by Arabic numerals 1 to 7. Elements along a period have different properties. These properties repeated when period ends. Predicting the properties of missing elements. He predicted the properties of new additional elements in advance depending upon his table. He named those elements by adding the prefix eka. Eka is a Sanskrit word for numeral 1. For example, one of the elements he named was eka boron, which was discovered later as scandium. Amazingly, his predicted properties were almost the same as the observed properties of those elements after their discovery. Example, the atomic weight, density, formula of oxide, formula of chloride, of eka aluminium, eka silicon were almost similar to gallium and germanium, which were discovered later. Do you know what Mendeleev said about the melting point of eka aluminium, that is gallium? See in figure. He said, if I hold it in my hand, it will melt. The melting point of gallium is 30.2 degrees Celsius and our body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Obviously, it will be melt. Correction of atomic weights of some elements like beryllium, indium, gold. At the time of Mendeleev, beryllium was given atomic weight 13.5, but Mendeleev corrected it as 9. As we know, atomic weight equals to equivalent weight into valency. The equivalent weight of beryllium was found experimentally as 4.5 and its valency was thought as 3. Therefore, the atomic weight of beryllium was given as 4.5 into 3 equals to 13.5. With this atomic weight, it had to be placed in a wrong group in the table. Mendeleev said its valency should be only 2. Then its atomic weight would be 4.5 into 2 equals to 9. If atomic weight of beryllium is 9, it would be fit in the second group and its properties practically are similar to magnesium, calcium, etc. of the second group elements. Anomalous series. The anomalous series contained elements with more atomic weights like tellurium 127.6 units placed before the elements with less atomic weights like iodine 126.9 units. Mendeleev's effort is great in preparing the periodic table. In his honor, the 101th element was named as Mendelevium. Limitations. Anomalous pair of elements. Certain elements of highest atomic weights precede those with lower atomic weights. For example, tellurium atomic weight 127.6 units precedes iodine atomic weight 126.9. Dissimilar elements placed together. Elements with dissimilar properties were placed in same group as subgroup A and subgroup B. For example, alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. of 1A group have little resemblance with coinage metals like copper, silver, gold of 1B group. One more example, chlorine is a 7th A group element and manganese is of 7th B. But chlorine is a non-metal whereas manganese is a metal. So this about Mendeleev's periodic table.